Hare Krishna. In this video, we are going to discuss Lord Krishna's expansions and incarnations. Srila Prabhupada explaining the words Satyasya Yonim, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur says that Krishna is Avatari, the origin of all incarnations. In Bhagavad Gita, it is said, Aham sarvasya prabhavo mattah sarvam pravartate. All avatars, everything is all emanations from me. Lord Gauranga explained to Sanatana Goswami that the expansions of Lord Krishna who come to the material creation are called avatars. The word avatar means one who descends, and in this case, the word specifically refers to one who descends from the spiritual sky. In spiritual sky, there are innumerable Vaikuntha planets. And from these planets, the expansions of Supreme Personality of Godhead come into universe. Though Srimad Bhagavatam confirms that there is no limit to the incarnations of Supreme Lord, still, Gauranga Mahaprabhu explains some of them to Sanatana Goswami just to give him an idea of how Lord expands and enjoys. There are 6 kinds of incarnations. The Purush avatars, Leela avatars, Guna avatars, Manvantar avatars, Yug avatars, and Shaktiavesh avatars. Krishna is the original personality of Godhead. His expansion is Balaram, who expands the original Chaturvyu or quadruple expansions. Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna, and Anirudh. They further expand into Dvitiya Chaturvyu. Vasudev, Mahasankarshan, Pradyumna, and Anirudh. And from them, 24 forms of Vishnu expand. From Mahasankarshan, Mahavishnu becomes manifested. From Pradyumna, Garbhodakshayi Vishnu becomes manifested. And from Anirudh, Kshirodakshayi Vishnu becomes manifested. Mahavishnu creates the total material energy known as Mahatattva. Garbhodakshayi Vishnu enters into all the universes to create diversities in each of them. Kshirodakshayi Vishnu is diffused Vishnu as all-pervading Supersoul in all the universes and is known as Paramatma. He is present even within the atoms. All these 3 forms of Vishnus constitute Lord's Purush avatars. Now, let's see Lord's Leela avatars or pastime avatars. During Brahma's one day, there are 25 Leela avatars, also known as Kalpa avatars. because they appear in every kalpa. Chaturasana, the four Kumars of Lord Brahma. Narad Muni, the son of Lord Brahma. He is empowered by Lord's Bhakti Shakti, hence he is also a Shakti-avesh avatar. Varahadev, boar incarnation. Matsya, fish incarnation. Yagya, the son of Prajapati Ruchi and Akuti. Naranarayan, the twin sons of King Dharma and Murti. Kapil Dev, the son of Gardam Muni and Devahuti. Dattatreya, the son of Atri Muni and Anasuya. He is a combined incarnation of Lord Vishnu, Brahma and Shiva. Hayasirsa, Lord Haigriv. Hansa, the swan incarnation. Prashnigarbha, the incarnation who appeared before Dhruva Maharaj to create Dhruvaloka for the habitation of him. Rishabh, son of King Nabhi and Meru Devi. Prithu, incarnation of Lord's ruling force. Narasingha Dev, the half-man, half-lion incarnation. Kurma, the tortoise incarnation. Dhanavantri, the father of Ayurveda. Mohini, the Lord's form of a beautiful lady. Vaman Dev, the dwarf incarnation, son of Kashyap Muni and Aditi. Parashuram, Bhrigupati, the son of Jamdagni Muni and Renuka. Raghavendra, Lord Ramachandra, son of King Dashrath and Kaushalya. Vyasdev, son of Parashar Muni and Satyavati. Lord Balram, the first plenary expansion of the Lord. Lord Krishna, the original personality of Godhead. Buddha, the son of Anjana. Kalki, the son of Brahman Vishnuyas. He will appear in the village Sambhala at the end of Kali Yuga. He'll mount a horse, Devdutt, and taking his sword, he will kill millions of degraded humans. He will also commence Satyayug. Guna Avatars. Guna Avatars are incarnations of the qualitative modes of nature. Brahma, Rajogun. Vishnu, Sattvagun. Shiva, Tamogun. Manvantar Avatar. There are 14 Manvantar Avatars who appear during the 14 ruling periods of Manus in one day of Brahma. Swayambhu Manu, Sarvochis Manu, Uttama Manu, Tamas Manu, Chakshuch Manu, Vaivasvat Manu, Savarni Manu, Daksha Savarni Manu, Brahma Savarni Manu, Dharma Savarni Manu, Rudra Savarni Manu, Deva Savarni Manu, Indra Savarni Manu. Yuga Avatars. The 4 Yuga Avatars are also described in Srimad Bhagavatam. Satyayug, the incarnation of Lord is white. Treta Yug, the incarnation of Lord is green. Dwapar Yug, the incarnation of Lord is blackish. Kali Yug, The incarnation of Lord is blackish, but sometime, in the case of a special Kalyug, his color is yellow, as in case of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. And the last is Shaktiavesh Avatar. Shaktiavesh avatars are limitless. There are two kinds of Shaktiavesh avatars, direct and indirect. In direct Shaktiavesh avatars, Lord himself comes, while in indirect, he empowers some living entity to represent him. Examples of direct incarnations are Shesh and Ananta incarnation, while of indirect are the four Kumaras, Narad, Prithu and Parashuram. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hare Krishna.